Colorado approves LLCs so fast that most people miss the rules that start after approval, and those rules are where things quietly go wrong. I'm Patrick from Biz Builders, and if you're starting an LLC in Colorado in 2026 without a lawyer, this is what you need to understand before you assume you're done. Because in Colorado, fast filing does not mean low responsibility. Why Colorado feels deceptively easy. Colorado is one of the fastest states in the U.S. for LLC formation. Online filing, low friction, near instant approval. So most founders think, nice, that part was easy. But Colorado shifts the burden entirely onto you the moment your LLC is approved. No reminders, no hand-holding, no grace period. The hidden compliance part. Here's what people don't realize about Colorado. Colorado is extremely strict about ongoing accuracy, not just filing. That includes periodic reports, registered agent details, addresses, public information staying current. If any of that slips, your LLC can fall out of good standing, banks can pause or question accounts, your liability protection weakens, and none of this happens loudly. Colorado doesn't block you up front. It lets compliance break quietly. How people find out too late. This is usually how it shows up. A bank asks for updated documents. A contract requires proof of good standing. A renewal deadline gets missed. Someone says, your LLC isn't active anymore, and suddenly you're fixing problems you didn't know existed. That's the Colorado trap. The right way to handle Colorado, short and clean. If you want to stay clean in Colorado, the order matters, and the follow-up matters even more. 1. Choose your business name. 2. Appoint a registered agent with a physical Colorado address. 3. File your articles of organization. 4. Get your EIN. 5. File Colorado periodic reports on time, every time. 6. Update info immediately when anything changes. 7. Maintain your business bank account properly. Colorado rewards consistency, not speed. Why this costs time and money later. Once compliance slips, fixes take longer. Status takes time to restore, momentum dies, and all of it started with something that felt small. That's why people say Colorado was easy until it wasn't. Why I recommend help for Colorado. That's why I recommend Taylor Brands for Colorado. Not because filing is hard, but because staying compliant is where people fail. They help with registered agent filing, EIN compliance reminders, keeping public info accurate, banking prep, so nothing quietly falls through the cracks. Cost. Straight talk. If you want this handled properly without guessing, I put the link in the description. Through our partnership, you can start for $0 plus Colorado state fees. Same cost as DIY. Much fewer surprises. Final line. Colorado makes forming an LLC fast. What it doesn't do is protect you from missing the follow-up. Handle the compliance, stay current, and your LLC stays solid. I'll see you in the next one.